On-off switch, engineering requirement. The system shall have an on-off switch with indicator light and shall upon power up return the system to its home position for 9 out of 10 power cycles. To determine this, we turn on and off the main power. Each time we did so, we made sure that the indicator light turned on and off when we cycled it on and off. We made sure that the robot moved to its home position, which is roughly 1 inch from the top of the Y and to the right, to the left of the rightmost X axis, and 1 inch away from the Z positive direction in the negative direction, if that makes sense. So this was important because we wanted to make sure that we were at the home position every time, or at least 9 out of 10 times, so that we'd have a reference point every time we went to go pick an apple. So it was very important that a starting location was determined. Also, we needed to have a way to turn the system on and off, so the power switch was used for that purpose. Power switch is in the back. The power indicator light is in the front, which when we now turn on the power, we will demonstrate. Light is on. When we turn it on for the first time, it goes to its home position. It's supposed to do 9 out of 10 times, that's once. Power down, we will power it up again. That's 2. That is 3. That is 4. That is 5. That is 6. That is 7. That is 8. That is 9. That is 10. Once we turn off the power, the light will turn off.
It doesn't turn on when it's...
Turn the power on.
Yep.
And when we turn the power off, it will turn the LED off. The LED is off once power is off. Conditions met.